In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check and set limits in AutoCAD in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is a really useful command if you want to control your drawing area, stay organized, and make sure your workspace is set up the right way before you start drafting. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. This can be a new file or an existing project depending on what you're working on. Once your drawing is open, you're ready to set the limits for the drawing space. Now type limits on your keyboard and press enter. AutoCAD will ask you to specify the lower left corner of the limits. This is where you define the starting point of your drawing boundary. A common value is 0, 0, so go ahead and type 0, 0 and then press enter. Next, AutoCAD will ask for the upper right corner. This sets the maximum size of your drawing limits. For example, you can type 1000, 1000 and press enter. That gives you a large working area to draw in, but you can change those numbers based on your project needs. After that, if you want to confirm the limits were set correctly, type limits again and press enter. AutoCAD will display the current lower left and upper right values so you can check that everything is exactly how you want it. Now that the limits are set, the next step is to zoom so you can see the full drawing area. Type zoom and press enter, then type A for all and press enter. This tells AutoCAD to zoom out and show the full extent of your drawing space, including the limits you just set, and that's it. You've now learned how to check and set limits in AutoCAD in just a few simple steps. This is a great habit to get into because it helps you work more accurately and keeps your drawing environment clean and manageable. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AutoCAD guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.